Hi everyone, just a friendly reminder that the verification of third parties section of our agency brochure pamphlet is a mandatory section that needs to be filled out every time we are taking a client's ID, regardless of whether or not there's an actual third party involved. The only time this section does not need to be filled out is if we're identifying an unrepresented individual such as a FISBO. Most of the time, you won't be dealing with third parties, so this is how the form should be filled out when there is no third party involved. Select the No box when asked if the transaction is being conducted on behalf of a third party according to the client. Select the Asked if client was acting on behalf of a third party box under the Measures Taken section. Record the date on which the above measures were taken. This will be the same date as you were filling out the client's identification information. Leave the Reasons Why Measures Were Unsuccessful section blank. Normally, you'll select the No box under Indicate whether or not there are any grounds to suspect a third party, unless you believe there might be a third party involved but your client is denying it, in which case you will select the Yes box and explain your grounds for suspicion. Leave the third party record section at the bottom of the page blank. If you are aware of a third party, such as a power of attorney, you'll fill out the forms as follows. Select the Yes box when asked if the transaction is being conducted on behalf of a third party according to the client. Again, select the Asked if client was acting on behalf of a third party box under the Measures Taken section. Record the date on which the above measures were taken. If the client refuses to identify the third party, select Client did not provide information under the Reasons Why Measures Were Unsuccessful. However, you'll normally leave this section blank as the client will identify the third party involved. Select No when asked to indicate whether there are any other grounds to suspect a third party, and fill out the third party record at the bottom of the form with the third party individual's ID. For example, if your client is working under power of attorney, the person for whom they have the power of attorney is the third party and should be identified in this section. Please make sure that this portion of the form is being filled out for every ID you take. Have a great day.